Hey there! Welcome back, adventurers. Season 2 of Happy Trail Backpacking. Today we are at Caron Park right now, and we will be heading to Nerstrand State Park in about an hour south of the Twin Cities in Minnesota here. And I got on some snowshoes. Look at that. We're trying this out for the first time. Let's go. Alright, so, like I said, we're here at Caron Park. And there are a couple of things at the end here I want to check out and see. Yeah, it's only about a half a mile. It's 26 degrees and sunny. It's a beautiful day out. Yeah, let's go check this out. This should be a quick one. Then we'll head over to Nerstrand State Park. All right, folks. We have arrived here at Caron Falls. I got lost. It's been like 45 minutes maybe, and I only hiked a half a mile, but it was hard to follow the trail. I got lost a few times. Yeah, I felt like I was going in circles, and I ended up finding it, and here we are. Check it out. It looks completely frozen, but I don't know if you can hear this on the GoPro here, but there's still water running underneath it. Here we go, here's the other one. This one's called Molly Falls. This one's kind of cool. It's back in this little alcove here. Enclosed on both sides. And again, you can hear the water running underneath the ice. Pretty cool. Gotta be really careful where I walk around here. I don't know what's solid ground and what's frozen. Alrighty, adventurers, we have moved on now to Nerstrand's Big Woods State Park. On the way back from the falls there, my feet started really hurting from the snowshoes. I don't know if I had them on too tight or what, or if it was because I was walking on kind of a hard packed trail. I think they're more meant for powder or soft snow, but it started hurting my feet, so I took them off for about half the hike back, and I decided not to bring them with on this little hike. Now, with that said, now that I'm just walking on ice and snow, it's very slippery. So now I'm dealing with that. Anyway, we're off. We got something cool to see. Let's go. Alright folks, we're about a mile in. We're at our destination here, but there's a whole bunch of people checking it out. So I just found a nice little quiet spot over here by these cliffs. Sit and have a little snack and maybe wait for them to be on their way. We got a Coca-Cola as usual and some Ruffles. I actually had another plan too, but yeah, I brought my camping stove and some hot chocolate. I was gonna make some hot chocolate, but I forgot my lighter to light my stove, so wonk wonk. Hidden Falls, Nerstrand State Park. Big woods. And you can still hear the water flowing underneath. And you even got a nice cool little ice cave down here. Check this out. This is kind of cool. This is where I had my break way down there. And it's not actually even a trail. It's just the river is frozen, so people just walk down the river and nice. So it's normally kind of an inaccessible area, so it's kind of cool. First time hiking on a frozen river.
Walk by shop.
Check this out, I love this. We're at the kids' playground here. They made a train out of logs. I love it, that's awesome. So, alright, we've reached the end of our hike today. Hidden Falls. It was absolutely gorgeous. It was the first time I've ever seen a frozen waterfall, and we saw 3 today. It's awesome. First time snowshoeing, first time hiking on a frozen river. Yeah, and a first time with a second season of Happy Trail backpacking. Thanks for coming with, and I hope to see you next time on Happy Trail backpacking.